What is a sentence? Ano ang pangungusap? For today's episode, let's have a review and assess. First, let's have a review kung ano nga ba ang sentence o pangungusap. A sentence is a group of words that tells a whole idea. In Tagalog, ang pangungusap ay isang pangkat ng mga salita na nagsasabi ng isang buong ideya. Every sentence begins with a capital letter. Ang bawat pangungusap ay nagsisimula sa malaking titik. Ngayon naman, i-assess o alamin natin kung kayo nga ba ay may natutunan tungkol sa pangungusap kung paano ito gamitin at isulat. Choose the correct sentence or piliin ang tamang pangungusap. Number 1, which is the correct sentence? Alin ang tamang pangungusap? Can you find it? Ready, go! The correct answer is Pam has to go. Ito ang tamang pangungusap dahil ito ay nagsisimula sa malaking titik at nagsasabi ng buong ideya. Number 2, choose the correct sentence. Ready, go! The correct answer is we jump down. It begins with capital letter and tells the whole idea. Number 3, choose the correct sentence o piliin ang tamang pangungusap. The correct answer is Nan ran to me. Why? Because it begins with capital letter and tells the whole idea. Number 4, alin ang tamang pangungusap? Ang tamang sagot ay the cats can go up. Bakit? Dahil ito ay nagsisimula sa malaking titik at nagsasabi ng buong ideya. And lastly, number 5, choose the correct sentence. The correct sentence is Sam can play. Why? Because it begins with capital letter and tells the whole idea. Good job!